children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are enjoying your studies at home. Children, today we are going to learn our new topic temperature from chapter 6. Before starting our topic, we will discuss about temperature. So children, in now in winter season, if you are feeling cold, can you tell me how much cold it is? Only by assuming or by uh, feeling, can you tell how much cold it is? ये बता सकते हो कि कितना ठंडा है? Can you give one particular figure for that? Is it possible? No. Same way, if you are having fever, by touching your body, can you tell how much hot it is? Can you give a particular figure for your temperature? Is it possible? No, not at all. So for that, what we will do? We have to measure temperature to give a figure that how much hot and how much cold it is. So in this chapter temperature, we are going to learn about the measurement of a temperature, that how we will measure temperature. ओके, सेम वे, अगर आपकी मम्मी ने आपको दूध दिया, एक ग्लास दूध पीने के लिए दिया, दूध आपका गर्म है, सो बाय टचिंग यू कैन टेल, हाँ यस आपका दूध गर्म है, तो पर्टिकुलर फिगर बता सकते हो कि कितना सेल्सियस है या फिर कितना फ़ारेनहाइट है, बता सकते हो कितनी डिग्री है? नो, नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू लर्न measurement of temperature, means how to measure temperature. Okay children, so in this topic we are going to learn that how to measure temperature. Shall we start? Okay, let's start. So first of all we will see units of temperature, कि हम temperature को कौन से स्केल में काउंट कर सकते हैं या फिर मेज़र कर सकते हैं. So there are two types of scale. One is a Celsius scale, another one is a Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale, it means the unit of temperature is degree Celsius. If we will measure the temperature in degree Celsius, so we have to use Celsius scale. Okay, same in the Fahrenheit scale, the unit of temperature is degree Fahrenheit. So when we will measure through the Celsius scale, we will get our result in degree Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale we will get our result in degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so if you will observe your thermometer, we are getting the reading in Fahrenheit. You are getting 97.7 or 98 or 99. It is not a Celsius, you are getting in Fahrenheit. Okay, so we'll see the temperature. If the temperature at which water freezes, freezing point. So in Celsius scale, if you will see, that is your 0 degree Celsius. We know that when we will freeze water at 0 degree Celsius, you will get ice. Yeah, that is the freezing point of a water. And if you will see in Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit. So children, this we will read as a degree Celsius and this we will read as a degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Now next, temperature at which water boils. That is the boiling point of a water. So in Celsius scale, we will get the result in degree 100 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit 212 degree Fahrenheit. That is the boiling point of a water in Fahrenheit scale, and 100 degrees Celsius it means boiling point of water in Celsius scale. Got it? How to measure, which all are the scale and the freezing point and boiling point of a water in Celsius scale and in Fahrenheit scale. Clear for you all? Now we will see the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now if we are getting the number in degree Celsius and you have to convert into a Fahrenheit. So few steps are there we have to follow and we have to solve the conversion. Okay, so let's start. So first example is 25 degree Celsius. Okay children, if 25 degrees Celsius it is, the first step is multiply the number of degrees in Celsius by 9. What is our first step? Whatever number you have got in degree Celsius, that you have to multiply by 9. So our number is 25. So we will do the multiplication. 25 into 9 is equal to 225. जब हम 25 को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे क्या मिलेगा तुम्हें? 225. First step over. This is your first step. Okay, now come to the next one, second step. Now next is divide the product by 5. Which one is your product? This 225 is your product. Now this product you have to divide by 5. Okay, so let's do 225 divided by 5 is equal to 45. Okay, when we will divide 225 by 5, your answer will be 45. Okay, so here we have got our answer. Now third step is add 32 to the result. This is our result. Okay, this one is a product and this is your result. Okay, now in this result you have to add 32. How much? 32. So 45 plus 32, your answer is 77. Okay children, here we will see 45 plus 32 is equal to 77 and this is your answer. So when we will convert 25 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, your answer will be 77 degree Fahrenheit. What is your answer? Answer is 77 degree Fahrenheit. So in 3 steps you have to solve your conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, easy, very much. Okay, now next we will see the conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now vice versa. Okay, we'll see in next example. Now children, our next example is conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so our example is 131 degree Fahrenheit. So children, in this conversion the steps are reversed. Means what we have done there in conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit, same reverse we have to do in conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. These both are vice versa. Okay, so there we have done subtraction last. Yes, and here we will do subtraction first. So subtract 32. What we will do? From this we will subtract 32. So when we will do 131 minus 32, our answer will be 99. Okay, now next step, multiply the result by 5. What is our next step? What we will do? We will do the multiply the result. What is our result? This 99 is our result. We'll write here that it is our result. So this result we will multiply by 5. Okay, so 99 into 5. So what is your answer? Your answer is 495. Okay, now third step is divide the product. What is our product? This is our product. We'll write here that this is our product. So divide the product by 9. So what we will do? We will divide 495 by 9. Okay, your answer will be 55. So what is your answer? When we will convert 131 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius, so your answer will be 55 degree Celsius. This is your answer. Okay, got it? What we have done? We have done टोटली उल्टा. आपको क्या करना है, इसमें पूरे प्रोसेस उल्टे करने. ओके, पहले आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, फिर जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. किससे? 5 से. उसके बाद जो आपका प्रोडक्ट आएगा उस प्रोडक्ट को आपको क्या करना है? डिवाइड करना है. किससे? 9 से. एंड हियर इज योर आंसर. गॉट इट? हाउ टू डू द कन्वर्शन फ्रॉम सेल्सियस टू फ़ारेनहाइट और फ़ारेनहाइट टू Celsius. Hope everything is clear for you all. Okay, now we will see our next topic, that is the types of a thermometer. Okay, it is for your future knowledge. Okay, let's see. So children, here is our last topic from chapter 6, that is types of thermometer. So there are two types of thermometer. One is Celsius thermometer and the one is a clinical thermometer. What is the use of Celsius thermometer? That it is used to measure atmospheric temperature. What is the meaning of atmospheric temperature? It means it measures our environment temperature. It measures our environment temperature. So now in winter season, if you want to measure कि कितनी ठंडी है, या फिर इन समर इफ यू वांट टू मेजर कि कितनी गर्मी है, हाउ मच हॉट और हाउ मच कोल्ड इट इज. सो हाउ वी विल मेजर? with the help of our normal thermometer that we are using during our fever, that we can't use. So what we will use? We will use Celsius thermometer. So with the help of the Celsius thermometer हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम अपने एनवायरनमेंट को चेक कर सकते हैं कि आज कितनी ठंडी है या फिर आज कितनी गर्मी है. सो इफ़ यू विल ऑब्जर्व, तुम्हारे मोबाइल में भी आता है कि आज के दिन कितनी ठंडी गिरने वाली है या फिर कितना गर्म है आज कितना सन हॉट है. कैसे पता चलेगा? सेल्सियस थर्मोमीटर से. वो कैसे पता करते हैं? जैसे डेली अगर हम न्यूज़ में देखें या फिर न्यूज़पेपर में देखें, वो आता है जैसे नागपुर में इतनी ठंडी है और पुणे में इतना है, कोलकाता में इतना है, राजस्थान में इतना है. वो कैसे पता करते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए सेल्सियस थर्मोमीटर. एंड व्हाट इज क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर? इट इज़ यूज टू मेजर आवर बॉडी टेम्परेचर. जैसे भी अगर तुम्हें कैसे बुखार लगता है तो हम मम्मी या पापा आपको किससे चेक करते हैं कि कितना आपका बुखार कितना है? कैसे चेक करते हैं? वो किसके थ्रू चेक करते हैं? क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर के थ्रू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, गॉट इट? what all I have taught today about your conversion, about your thermometer, types of thermometer, unit of thermometer. Hope everything is clear for you all. Okay, so फिर भी अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो तो you can approach to me, you can send your messages to me. And children, I wanted to give you one task. Okay, so children, here is your task. I have given 2 examples for your homework, for your task, that you have to solve it in a notebook, and answer you have to post in comment section in YouTube. Why I am giving these videos in YouTube? That you should know about YouTube. Okay, so this 2 examples you have to solve it in your notebook, and answers you have to write it in a comment box. So I will come to know how many from you all are watching videos. Okay, so children, remember why we are making videos and giving you, for clearing your doubts, for clearing your concept. Children, please don't ignore, watch full video and learn from this. If you are having any doubt or you are not getting the concept, again and again you watch. So if you will get that, yes, we got our concept. It is very easy, children. Okay, So that is your task. I will be checking who all have sent your responses. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.